Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Marsidhi Chawda, and from the title of this video you know that what I am going to talk in this video. So today I am going to recommend some movie, show, series, documentary and everything. So whatever I am going to suggest you, that will make you happy and you will feel productive after watching this. So please go through this video once. If you are not a movie person or a series person, then whatever documentary or books I am going to refer you, because that will help you in a self development and you will love yourself, and those kind of a suggestion I am going to give you, and I will mention everything in the description for your convenience. So now without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. So first we'll start with the movie. So 2 days back I have watched this one movie. The name of that movie is A Miracle Cell Number 7. Now this movie is so emotional that you can't say कि आप रो नहीं सकोगे, because if you are not a person who can't able to cry, then please watch this movie. I am sure you will cry after watching this movie, and it is superb movie. Like after a very long time I am able to connect certain movies. There is one person who is having such mental issues and he is going through some problem in his life, and what happens throughout this life, the whole story is related to that person and his daughter. So please watch. Okay, so the next movie is Eat, Pray, Love. Now this one is a very classic and all-time favorite movie. Usually I don't watch movie repeatedly, but this movie I guess I have watched 3 times, or this is a so good. Watch this one and you will feel so much a happy, and whatever doubt you have in your life you will solve after watching this movie. So please must watch this one. Okay, so the next movie is very romantic, and I love watching romantic movies so much. You will know the suggestion I will give you after some times. So this movie is a teenage kind of a love story, and this movie is in a 2-part. The movie name is All Boys I Have Loved Before. Now this one is you will feel happy, and all the time you will going to blush, I am sure. This is the story about one girl. She is having crush 5 boys, and she wrote the letter for them, and by mistake वो letter चले जाते हैं सारे boys को, and उसके बाद क्या होता है, that is a very सबका जो dream होता है ना, that thing happens to her. So please watch this movie. Okay, so the next movie I'm going to suggest is a bit practical. Now this is the story about what happens after a marriage. So the movie name is Marriage Story. Now the acting done by those actors is phenomenal, and you will able to see that actually what goes behind the marriage and what happens after having kids and those kind of a thing, and how they go through all the process in their life, but practical way and a good way. It is happy. So please must watch this movie. So now that we have done with the movies, let's move toward this series. First series I am going to suggest, it is a must watch kind of a thing. Now I know there is so much hype behind this series, and the hype is real. Trust me guys, the hype is real. The series name I am going to suggest is a Money Heist. अभी उसका season 4 था है, and that will blow your mind. Trust me, that will blow your mind, because the character they have developed and the character professor, I am having huge crush on that person. So please must watch that series. Okay, so the next series I am going to suggest you is available on Amazon Prime. This one is Modern Love. Now this one is on real story. So there is 8 episode in that, and in last episode they reveal some end of that movie कि उसमें क्या हो रहा है, अच्छा end है, बुरा end है, whatever. And every love story is unique and different in their own way. You will enjoy, you will cry, you will feel happy, you will have butterfly in your stomach, and all those feelings you will enjoy watching that. So please watch that one. Now the last series I am going to suggest you is, everyone know, if you want to feel a light or happy, then please watch on a Netflix Sex Education. How teenagers are curious about these things and how they want to know about these things very quickly, and how they get trapped and they don't know so many things. So how Sex Education is must watch if you want to see something light or funny and everything. So here we are done with our series section. The next section is a documentary. Now from a past 6-7 months I am only watching, most of the time I am watching something which is going to gain my knowledge, अच्छा जानने को मिले, then I only watch. Whatever documentary I am going to suggest, it is the best one and you will gain some knowledge. So the first documentary I am going to suggest you, it is available on a Netflix, The Great Hack. Now this one is amazing phenomenon. You will learn the science behind these ads. आप Instagram खोलते हो, YouTube खोलते हो, Google खोलते हो, that time so many ads appear, और उसके पीछे reason क्या है, why these ads are popping out so much, and क्या reason है कि एक ही type का आपको ad दिखने को मिलता है. So how this ad impact on our life, और ये एड की वजह से हाउ डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प इन द इलेक्शन ऑफ अ यूएसए. आई नो यू फील कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प एंड ये गूगल के एड से पॉसिबल, बट ट्रस्ट मी, once you will watch that documentary and you will know okay, what I am talking about. So please watch that. So the next documentary I am going to suggest is a minimalistic. Now this one is like a superb, and if you are not a shopaholic or a very shopaholic person like me, then please watch this one out, because this is going to give you that idea कि हम काफ़ी चीज़ें खरीदते हैं but it is actually going to help us or it is going to create anxiety for our life. So there is a two guy who has like amazing job, or they just leave their job because of some thing कि वो अपने life में happy नहीं थे, and why they are not happy. So many times we buy things just for the sake of like हमें लोगों को show off करना है कि हम ये buy किए तो वो society में लोग क्या बोलेंगे. We think all this kind of a thing, and okay, so don't get just trapped on this situation. So please watch this one out, minimalistic. Okay, now the next documentary I'm going to suggest is Explain. Now ये series और ये बोल सकते हो this is in a 2 part. So 2 part में क्या है? So they take one topic per episode. 15 या 20 मिनट का ही एक एपिसोड है, and on a certain topic like sex, skin, cosmetology, cricket or any topic you will say, and they have made the video. And ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी आके बोल रहा है और कुछ भी बोल रहा है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है उसमें. They actually shows that research paper and everything, and they are not saying that this is wrong and this is right. They are just going to explain what is the thing, what is the meaning of a cricket, why there is so much hype about cricket and everything. So please watch this one out, so you will learn so many new things after watching this documentary. Okay, so the next documentary I am going to suggest is a Heal. Now in this documentary you will learn how human body is amazing, how it forgives के हम कुछ भी खाते कुछ भी पीते हैं and फिर भी हमारे सारे like पेन और सबको हील कर देता है. But if you believe in a spirituality or law of attraction, then please must watch, and how like a meditation, healthy food, your thought can impact on your body, and how like a disease like a cancer you can cure by your thoughts and doing meditation and things like that. So please must watch Heal. Here we are done with our documentary section. Now the next section is one of my favorite books. Okay, so the first book I am suggesting you is The Secret. Like 2 years back I have started reading with this book, and after reading this book like I that changed my life, and I truly believe in this kind of a thing, like visualizing, having positive thoughts, and how your mind can impact on your daily basis life. Please read this. Okay, so the next book I am going to suggest you is The Power of a Subconscious Mind. Now in this there is so much exercise, and I have done those kind of exercise, and it actually works. If you don't trust me, buy this book, read this book, and do this exercise on your life, and you will get to know कि कितना हमें फ़र्क पड़ता है ये सारी एक्सरसाइज करने से, and you will enjoy this kind of a thing. And this is like about how your thought, again how your thought is going to impact. If you read first The Secret और उसके बाद ही आप read करोगे, then you will know कि why I am telling you that first read that book and after that this one. So the next book I am going to suggest you is most famous, Alchemist. Now I usually don't read the fiction one, but this one is going to blow your mind, how they develop the character and how that person journey reach for just to get that khazana, and you will enjoy reading this one. So please read this one out, The Alchemist. Okay, so the next book I am going to suggest is A Love for Imperfect Thing. Now this one is going to help you to become like a better person, or sometimes it is better to like move on from certain people or certain situation, and how you are not supposed to react on a certain things. क्या घर पे mom बोल रहा है, भाई बोला, या boyfriend, husband, whatever person, sometimes we show our anger, but think कि उसके हमें मिलने क्या वाला है, हम इतना गुस्सा करके क्या करेंगे. So please check that out, please read this one, and इसमें काफ़ी सारा कम text है, and there is a poem and those kind of things, so you will enjoy reading this book. Okay, so the next book I am going to suggest, it has to be my favorite. So this one is The Power of Now. Now if you apply these rules, whatever they are saying in the book, your life become like another level. ट्रस्ट मी, अभी मैं हाफ वे तक ही पहुंची हूँ बुक को, और काफ़ी सारा मैंने कुछ पढ़ा है जो मुझे समझ गया है. स्टिल आई हैव रेड, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एवरी डे लाइक एक दिन में एक पेज पढ़ो और वो अप्लाई करो. जब तब तक पढ़ते रहो जब तक वो एक पेज अप्लाई नहीं कर सको, बिकॉज वॉट एवर दे आर ट्राइंग टू से हियर, दैट इज़ लाइक अ बेस्ट थिंग you ever heard in your life. So the power of a now means you have to be in the present. Don't think much about future or a past. Just work on your present. That way you are going to achieve your better futures. And I'm sure if you are going to read this book, and if you like apply those kind of a thing, then you will become a better person in your life, and you will achieve so many things in your life. So please read this one out. Okay, so the next book I'm going to suggest is The Rich Dad and Poor Dad. This one is very famous and classic one. Now this one is not spiritual one or anything, but this will teach you how to utilize your money, how to invest your money, because I am the kind of a person जो बहुत ज़्यादा shopping करता है and they don't think about like a money so much and savings, things like that. But after reading this book, I feel like अभी मैं कुछ भी लेती हूँ तो I think 10 times more that if I can't pair this dress or pair that skirt in a 10 more outfit, और एक ही बार लेने में तो मैं नहीं खर्चूंगी इतना पैसा. If I can't pair that dress 10 times, then I'm not going to buy. And I know so many fashion blogger and fast trend are going on, so काफ़ी सारे लोग उसमें बहुत सारा कुछ खरीद लेते हैं. But guys, if you don't need certain things and आप एक ही बार या दो ही बार पहनने वाले, then don't spend your so much money. Sometimes it is good to treat yourself, but don't just buy things blindly. I'm not saying that I haven't bought anything or I am not going to buy anything in the future, but whatever I am going to buy, I will be mindful. So please read Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, so here we are done with our books. Now, the next thing I am going to suggest is one podcast. This is on a Ghana app. The show name is Umeed. It is by Zakir Khan. Now he is a comedian, but in this podcast, he is saying whatever he learned throughout his life or whatever experience he had. And एक episode like 15 या 20 मिनट का है, और like there is 10 episode, and you will enjoy like listening that podcast, because that will motivate you, that make you feel positive, and काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें you can able to relate. So please listen this podcast. Okay, so here I am going to end this video. I hope this video is informative for you and you can able to time your pass easily during this lockdown by watching movie, series, documentary, everything, and this will be helpful for you. So please guys, if you feel that this video is helpful for you, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please stay home, eat healthy. Until then, bye.